I thought I was recording earlier, but it went out on me. Plus my mic. I didn't hear the sound from my mic either. So here we go. I'm not too sure about this plant here, but I'm gonna put it in here anyway, because I did purchase it. I did spend some money for it. So let's see what we can do. There is my drip system. Yeah. Thing that I do not like about this planter, it dries out quickly. You mentioned it dry out, I need to water it now. It dries out quickly. The breeze feels good out here now. Can't remember what I had planted in here. Not enough water. Goodness. Sit there for a minute. Handy dandy scissors. Oh, didn't even need it. I hate taking my potato vines out because I like to get my money worth out of my plants. I don't know about you guys, but yes, I like to take the advantage. Make sure I get my money's worth. Much mixed up here. Ooh, I most definitely need to let the water just run on this. Maybe I should change some dirt. I think I should change the dirt a little bit. A little dirt changing. That's what should happen. Notice I'm using my right hand. Oh my goodness. This is dry. Looks like I'm at the container. Maybe it's the I better sit around. Guess I'm supposed to be taking care of it. As you guys can see, this soil was really packed in there. The top layer was a little flaky, but underneath it was packed, and I don't know what was the reason for that, because that was soil that I bought from the store, and you know, the soil that was on the plants when I purchased them. But yeah, that was pretty thick. Normally you just get in there, dig it, and it comes out. But it's not that big and not that deep. But it gave me a little run for my money. But as you can see, I worked with it. Wait till I got it done. And notice once again, I use my right hand as much as possible. Yep, use it as much as possible. But yeah, continue watching. Sure that there was no more compact soil. It was in there. And also I decided not to use just use what I had. each other. Looked like they were strangling each other.
I bought two flats. Half of them I still have, and the other half I don't. And I just recently purchased some more. Now, you would have thought that I would have really got a bigger shovel. I chose not to. I chose not to. So me and that little shovel, we did it. Just trying to get it a little deeper. It's wider, but it just needs to sink down a little bit more. As I was arranging it in there, turn it around, make sure the prettiest part is towards the front. Needed to be a little bit deeper. Finally got exactly like I wanted. Once I raked the soil around the root ball and everything, packed it in there enough, made like a little trench around it. So when I do water it, it's not gonna run down because it's not on a flat surface where I just planted it. So a little trench around it.
Good. This is not good. Yeah. Got to do better. I think I need to go around and pull some of these rooster plants too, because they're coming to the end of their cycle also. So I'll be back.